please understand, this isn't coming from any kind of negative light at all. My understanding so far is that the affiliate commissions are going to be paid out in USDT. That's correct, right?
Yes.
And so I guess my concern, and like I said, please don't take this in a negative light at all, but
I won't.
My understanding, certainly before I try to bring in hundreds of people into this, is that USDT, of course, is a stable coin, but I'm hearing that it's maybe not as stable as we all think. And so is there any consideration within the company of if something happens with USDT to be able to switch to another stable coin to pay out?
Yeah, this is a question that comes up. It's coming up more and more commonly, and so yeah, so we're aware of it. I will say this, and I'm not gonna drop my personal opinion necessarily on USDT, but I will say that if you go back and study USDT and the controversy around it, it has this concern that you are expressing has been with USDT for a number of years. This isn't a new issue or a new concern. Now, whether that means it's a real concern or it's just FUD, I don't know. I'm not going to speak to that on this call. What I will say is, yes, we're aware of it. We are programming it from a trading standpoint. We are programming other stablecoins. The challenge or the awareness is that USDT has by far the most stable, the most pairs that can be traded. So let's say we just removed USDT as an option for trading. We would significantly decrease the available coins to trade, which then means that we hamper the ability for members to diversify their portfolios. So that's kind of the practical side of things. That goes well beyond EazyBot. That's more of a broader global implication on trading. So having said that, this is the broader point. If there is a failure in USDT, it's not another Luna. It is a mega issue around the crypto space. It's going to impact and affect everything in crypto if there's a failure in USDT because of how commonly and widely used it is. That doesn't mean that it's impossible for it to fail, for sure, but it does mean that the ramifications and implications go well beyond our software platform. With that being said, we're still maintaining an awareness and some level of preparation. We obviously do preach diversification, so we want to bake that into our product as well. So yes, the short answer is we are developing some other options. We don't have a short-term plan of pivoting away from USDT at this point. There aren't strong enough indicators that suggest that we should do that, but we are putting some other options into place.
Well, awesome. Thank you very much, Mr. Charles, for answering my questions. You've satisfied my curiosity, and I look forward to working and building a team here with EazyBot. It seems to be pretty phenomenal. So thank you, sir.